Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the horizon? Just out of reach, waiting for you to discover it. In the vast canvas of life, there exists a dream that is uniquely yours. It's the dream that ignites your soul, the dream that keeps you awake at night, and the dream that makes your heart race with anticipation. Chasing your dreams is not a journey for the faint of heart. It's a restless pursuit, a battle against doubts and obstacles, and a testament to your unwavering determination. Life will throw challenges your way. It will ask you to choose between comfort and courage. But remember, it's the choices we make in the face of adversity that define who we become. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Each setback is a lesson, a hidden opportunity, and a chance to rise stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever. Your dreams are like the stars in the night sky, distant, shimmering, and seemingly out of reach. But remember, just like the stars, they are within your grasp if you are willing to reach higher, to strive harder. Believe in yourself, even when the world doubts you. Your dreams are your unique vision, and only you can bring them to life. Success isn't just about a destination. It's about a journey. It's about the countless hours of hard work, the sacrifices made, and the unyielding passion that fuels your every step. The pursuit of your dreams is not just a personal triumph. It's an inspiration to others. It's proof that dreams can become a reality, that aspirations can be achieved. So don't just chase your dreams, chase them with all your heart, all your soul, and all your might. For in the pursuit of your dreams, you will discover the extraordinary potential that resides within you.